Hello, we are here today looking at 60th
Hampers.
birthday hampers and hampers for people who are in their 60s. Specifically, I'm going to outline birthday hampers. We are stepping away from what a traditional hamper would look like, and instead of attaching a birthday card to it, we've been more thoughtful, more precise, and we have created birthday hampers for people in their 60s.
I want to show you very quickly, once you've got the things, how we would structure it so that you've got like a little bit more professionalism in terms of its appeal. We choose a colour, we choose the 60th.
We've got some kind of like a bluey kind of theme going on here with a bit of purple and green all just kind of tying into.
And we've got the little candle, happy birthday. This would be how we would, this is how we want the top to appear, because that's the first thing that you open in the hamper. Yeah,
so we've picked like a eye-catching wow moment to open everything up onto, and we're gonna kind of place everything else underneath, which also creates more of an experience when opening it rather than having everything
because you're going to be lucky, you're going to be putting it together yourself, same way that we do, whereas a number of the other companies don't actually pack them themselves. They're packed in warehouses or whatever, and the things tend to be thrown in a little bit more. Where we prefer to see the elegance, the beauty, the artistry in terms of doing it, and that's what we're hoping you can sort of pick off yourself. So we're looking for the base layers of our hamper.
So we're starting with a bit of straw there, and we've gone for purple. Again, it ties into our colour scheme, and we're going to place our products.
This is from our Thoughtful range, so we actually have a little bit of, it's like almond nut butter or whatever from a supplier, because it's about taste, thoughtful tastes here, okay? And then the rest of the things, the reason why we're putting that in is that it's less likely to break.
Yeah.
It's packed around. Then we put the remainder of the things, and we don't really need to worry too much about how they look at this stage because they're going to be buried underneath the straw. It's going to be something whereby people will find it after.
Again, like we were saying there, it creates that experience of opening. We're not trying to make less look like more here. We have a depth and a weight. Whenever you like pick ours up, you can tell that they're expensive full-size products. Rather than they are some little small things, but we have big full-size chocolates and cake there as well.
So there's a quick putting of it together. I'm quite happy folding things over to make them look smaller when needs require, or overlapping, as long as you can see what it is that's actually being stated into it. And then you can put the birthday aspects of stuff. Now, that's us doing it pretty quickly here. Obviously, you have more time. You can make this.
Yeah, so while you perfect that, I'll show you how we then finish just with a ribbon and we tie a bow. I've gone for kind of this silver, darker grey. I think it just ties all of our blues and stuff together.
A tasteful traditional hamper for somebody in their 60s tends to be, you can get away with a standard stereotypical one.
Yeah,
but
this is nicer, more thoughtful.
This is nicer, and I think that people that are of that age demographic, whatever, are looking for something more thoughtful. They're looking for something that's going to make them smile, laugh, and whatever. That's what we have suggested we have done here in terms of appeal, visuality, topicality, modernity, and you can do something hopefully at home which piggybacks on that type of a design and style, because ultimately what we're trying to do is trying to create better hampers for people in their 60s, because it will not be long before I'm in that stage. And please don't send me a traditional standard stereotypical hamper. I want something like this. And if it's like that for me, then what are you going to be like? You would be happy to receive this now.
I would be happy to receive that now,
There we go. We've got a crossover there of desirability. And if that's what we've done, then you can do it as a really good gift solution for anybody that you know that's in their 60s, because they're gonna like it.